right? And so now if you look at what Lucidity does, is Lucidity goes and lays layers on top of that, what we call no ops. So you get rid of the DevOps, and we don't need the tools, right? We don't have to touch the tools because Lucidity is a auto scaler that's based on AI, right? And so in other words, we can seamlessly solve the expansion and shrinking challenges on demand. So we can basically say, how much buffer do we want? We want 20% buffer. And as our storage requirements increase, it auto scales the disk up. And as they decrease, it auto scales them down, right? So we get rid of those 4 manual touch points. We get rid of the 4 hours of downtime, and we get rid of the latency, right? And there's zero integration and changes required into the applications in order to do this.